Hi everyone, today I am going to show how to apply luster dust on chocolate. First take luster dust. I am taking pure gold. Now take liquid evaporator. Now let's start applying on chocolate. Successfully completed applying luster dust on chocolate. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel.